It's the elevator at Macy's in Willowbrook Mall, New Jersey. Funny, the INCHline thing is gone. Here it is. Let's go. It's a Haughton. 3. Wicked motor, folks. Oops. Oh, and that type of chime. No one? Okay. Someone call me here.
There's gonna be 2 in 2 months.
All going to 1?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Doom, 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 doom. What happened?
I don't know. You tell me.
There you guys go.
Thank
You too.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Back to 3. Here goes. You see, this is a new COP. That is the original Haughton COP. This is how you modernize an elevator. Install a new COP for ADA, and then keep the old panel. And that's the original indicator. I'm surprised they kept that too. Unfortunately, the motor is not original. This used to have a different type of motor before this recent mod. One more look at this beautiful panel. This is completely original. And it actually still works. One. Okay. There it goes. And that's it.